In mathematics, we like to call a number by its place value versus its face value. For example, the number listed here, 876. 876. That is its place value. We say each digit in its place. A face value would just be saying 876. Now, there's quite a bit of difference, especially when you think of money. $876 versus $876. Although there are some times when we call a number by its face value, such as an office number. My office number is room 123. It's a little odd if I was to say my office number is 123. So there is an appropriate time to call it by its face versus its place. But in mathematics, we always want to call a number by its place value. And the place values, we start on our far right. We call this place our ones. So that would be, for example, the $1. This would be our tens. The third place over is our hundreds. Then our thousands. And finally, in this chart, we just go up to the 10,000s. So if we look at this number, we have the number 02803. So if we want to write this in expanded notation, we would simply write 2,000 plus 800. Now that 0 shows I have no tens, so I'm going to leave that blank and go plus 3. So that's expanded notation. So when is the 0 necessary? The 0 is necessary to have a placeholder. And the number written above, the 0 shows me that that's a placeholder having no tens. If I didn't use it as a placeholder, I would have looked at the number 2,803 as 283 or 283. So that 0 is very important. Is the 0 on the far right important to show no 10,000s? It is not. It's not holding a place for a particular digit. Furthermore, in expanded notation, let's write a couple more. 548, expanded notation says 500 plus 40 plus 8. Notice the plus sign says I would add $500 plus $40 plus $8 to get 548. And lastly, 607. 600 plus no tens. You can put a 0 there if you'd like, and then add on 7. Or another way to write it is just 600 plus 7. So that is expanded notation showing a number in its place value, not its face value.